When you find a lizard on a boulder or a stick insect hiding in the trees or a gecko up the wall, you'll find green is in them all. I'm in lots of little living things like these. When you're swinging through the canopy or down on the ground, there's one important colour you'll see all around. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in every four-leaf clover and every runner bean. I'm in every living plant you've ever seen. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in green apples and green peppers and green peas. I'm in cactuses and cabbages and caterpillars too. I'm in cucumbers, crocodiles, pickles and parakeets, lime and lettuce, and look! There's a lily pad just for you. Still not found your family, little frog. Maybe I need to colour the pond green. You found them! Green and all together. Green is life. Life is green. I'm in every four-leaf clover and every runner bean. I'm in every living plant you've ever seen. Green is life. Life is green. Green is life. Life is green. Naturally. Find me in tomatoes when they're ripe and good to eat. I'm in spicy chilies, strawberry jams and roses. You'll find me on a fire engine rushing down the street. I'm in lollipops and lobsters and cloud noses. Red is all around me, red below and red above. Red gets your attention, red for danger, red for love. Oh, I'm red, and I'm red, red, ready. I'm the only colour you need. I'm red, and I'm red, red, ready. So come along and follow my lead. It's time to
peppers and red pants. I'm in ruby red, red velvet and red jellies. You'll find me in red peppers and red poppies and red ants. I'm in red balloons, red ribbons and red wellies. I'm red and I'm red, red, ready. I'm the only colour you need. I'm red and I'm red, red, ready. So come along and follow my lead. It's time to fill this empty space and make the world a redder place. Red is in my soul. I'm red and I'm ready. I'm red, red, ready. I'm red and I'm ready to... Hey! Now I'm seeing red!
I'm so bright you'll need your shades. I turn lemons into lemonade. Hello, I'm yellow. Smiling, shining, super fun. Come and join me in the sun. I'm happy, I'm yellow. Bright and bubbly, feeling fine. Today's the day, it's party time with... Oh! Yay! It's a map! A treasure hunt will be the perfect yellow party game. Turn right at the yellow digger. Turn left by the large lemon. Large lemon. You think that would be easy to spot? Whoa! Big yellow lemon! X marks the spot. A big yellow X. The treasure's buried here. Yellow! Oh, phew. This is going to take ages to dig up. Great idea! We found the treasure chest! What's inside? Oh, a yellow cake! Perfect for a yellow party! Hello, I'm yellow. Smiling, shining, super great. Do you want a slice of yellow cake? I'm happy, I'm yellow! Bright and bubbly, feeling fine. I hope you've had a happy time with yellow!